Built in 2002 and located in the desirable Quail Creek Subdivision near the Cedar Creek Golf Course, this all-brick home delivers the space you want, the extras you rarely find, and the peace of mind of recent updates, including a roof that's basically brand new. With great curb appeal and a layout built for real life, this one is easy to fall in love with from the moment you pull in. The main level features a spacious master suite with double tray ceilings and a private bath offering a large tiled shower and jetted tub. You'll also appreciate an additional bedroom and full bath on the main floor, plus the convenience of main floor laundry. The eat-in kitchen flows right out to the rear deck and patio area, perfect for grilling, relaxing, and hosting friends. A vaulted living room with a gas fireplace creates a warm, inviting space for cozy nights and casual gatherings. Upstairs you'll find 2 generous bedrooms, a full bath, and a bonus room with laundry hookups, a stage area, and closet space ideal for a playroom, hobby space, office, or whatever fits your lifestyle. Downstairs, the finished walkout basement is made for entertaining with a room for a theater or game area, a second fireplace, an additional kitchen area, a full bathroom, and a safe room. Garage and shop space is a major highlight, with an attached 2-car garage plus a detached 32x40 all-brick garage. Perfect for extra vehicles, tools, toys, or projects. If you've been waiting for a home that checks the boxes and brings the wow factor, this is it. Schedule your private showing today. My name is Danny Thane, proudly representing Land Guys here in Southeast Iowa.